Hello, it's Lorraine here from Minehead and Exmoor Fine and Country. I'm delighted to be here today to show you this beautiful property that we have. It's situated in the exceptional village of Porlock, which is an Exmoor National Park village. So it's just on the outskirts here, and it has the most exceptional views that you will see, both coast and countryside. So let's take a look. Thank you for taking a look at this beautiful property here with me today. If you'd like to know any more information, then please do reach out to us or pop in and see us at the office. We'd be delighted to help you and look forward to seeing you very soon.